Hello everyone, welcome to part 97 of Laravel 10 series in which we are creating the e-commerce website. So we will continue working on the dynamic product filter, and in this video we are going to start working on the filters like fabric, sleeve, pattern, okay, all these kind of filters that we can also manage from the admin panel. Okay, so in this video we are going to create one table, products underscore filters table, and going to insert some records into it. Okay, I'm going to mention uh, like uh, like these filters will come after color like fabric, sleeve, pattern, whatever, all will come here dynamically. And these filter earlier on we are managing statically, but now we are going to make them dynamic. Okay, I'm going to show you that in the admin panel, when we add edit any product, we are going to set these filters as well. Okay, so I'm going to going to edit any of the product here, and you can see here, we will go down and you can see these filters here: fabric, sleeve, pattern, fit, occasion. Okay, so all these filters we want to manage from some place, some table. Okay, we are going to create one table so that we can dynamically manage them. Okay, so later on in the series we are going to add these filters from the admin panel itself. Okay, not from here, we are going to add from the admin panel these filters and their values, like these, fabric, like first we are going to add these fabric, sleeve, pattern, fit, occasion. After that we are going to add the values as well: cotton, polyester, wool. Okay, all these kind of stuff we can able to add from the admin panel, but that work we are going to do this one later on. But right now we are going to create its table where we are going to keep these filters and their values. Okay, so we are required to create one table for these, and in that table we are going to insert this all and going to show here dynamically, like all the filters will come up here: fabric, sleeve, pattern, fit, occasion. And see, only those filter will come like if there are products associated with fabric. Like if we will select the fabric cotton for this product, this particular product, this one blue t-shirt, if we select this cotton fabric, then this product will be shown when we select this cotton. Okay, when we select this cotton, then this product will be shown here. Okay, so we are going to dynamically manage them. So the benefit of this one, like we are going to the men section here, you can see we if we go to the men category. Okay, then then the filters like sleeve. Okay, so sleeve filter or some filters that are associated with men, uh, uh, then those only those filter we are going to show that are associated with men. But if the filters are associated with women, then the woman related filter we are going to show. So more specific, like if we will select electronics. Okay, so electronics related filters we are going to add. Okay, so in the case of electronics, something like in the case of computers we are going to show the RAM, we are going to show the screen size, we are going to show the operating system. Okay, like we have done in the multi-vendor series. If you have followed my another series, multi-vendor, okay, in that we have done this thing. Okay, so these kind of things we are going to do. Okay, so in the table itself, we are going to show the filters and their values, and based on their products we are going to show the columns here. Suppose I want to show you one example, like if we are going to if we have the electronics products. Okay, if we add some few products of electronics, and those few products may have, I'm going to mention here, I'm going to add like some specific. First I'm going to add like clothing. Okay, in clothing, I'm going to add here some filters like fabric. Okay, so fabric is the filter that is a part of the clothing. Okay, fabric. And other than fabric I'm going to add here sleeve. Okay, and I'm going to, other than sleeve, I'm going to add here pattern. Okay, all these are the part of the clothing. Okay, so now I'm going to add here another category, and that I'm going to add something like electronics. Okay, electronics, in which the computers, we can say the computers will come under it. Okay, or we can simply add the computers. Okay, whatever. Okay, computers, laptops, whatever. Okay, so in this, what we are going to add Here we are going to add something like screen size. Okay, screen size, operating system, that which operating system it support, RAM, okay, random access memory. Okay, so such kind of things we are going to add here in the computers. Okay, so in the case of computers, we have here, we are going to select the values in these. Okay, we are going to select here, from here we are going to select these values, and in case of clothing we are going to select the values for these. So based on the values, we are going to show these filters. Like this screen size, we are not going to show in clothing, because not even a single product is having any value for the screen size. So not even a single product of clothing is having any value of these computers, means like screen size, operating system, RAM. They don't have any values in these. So that's why, based on the values, we are going to show the filters. Okay, so these filters are totally dynamic. I hope that you able to understand this concept, and now we are going to start working on these filters straight away. Okay, so first thing is, we are going to create the table. Okay, I'm going to mention here that table we are going to create, the table with some specific columns that we require. Okay, we are going to create here the products underscore filters, products underscore filters table. Okay, in this one we are going to add some of the field like id. We are going to add here the filter name. Okay, and we are going to add here the filter value. See, it automatically converts the first word to cap, so ignore it, please ignore it. Okay, so then sort, then status. See, it is simply all in lowercase. Okay, then after that, created at and updated at. Okay, created at and updated at. So these are the columns that we are going to insert for our product filters. Okay, so these are the columns that we are going to insert for our product filters table. So we are going to create the table like we used to create with the help of migration command. Okay, so let's run the migration command here. I'm going to run the project here. Here is my folder, here is my folder, project and services, new terminate folder. Here I'm going to run php artisan make migration, create products filters table. Okay, fine. So I'm going to open this one, create products filters table. Okay, so products underscore filters column we are table we are going to make. So here we are going to insert which columns we are going to add. String filter name, that filter value. After that, sort, integer, here integer for sort. See, if we want to arrange the values, like which value will come at the top, and for the filter itself, that which filter we want to show at the top. Basically it is for the values. Okay, after that we are going to add one more, tiny integer here status. Okay, so we are going to create this table, filter name, filter value, sort, status and timestamp. Okay, so I'm going to run one command, php artisan migrate. So our table has been created. We are going to see that our table has been created or not. See, products filters table has been created. Okay, you can see table has been created. So we are going to add now the records, the filters that we want to show. Okay, here. Okay, filters and their values, filter columns and their values. Okay, later on we are going to manage from the end panel as well, but right now we are going to manage from here. So here we are going to add here, I'm going to run the cedar command. Okay, php artisan make cedar filters table cedar. Okay, so I'm going to open this one, filters table cedar. So here I'm going to include the model here. Okay, product filter model, use app models products filter, and here I'm going to add all the going to add the query, okay, for inserting the filters values. Filter records, I'm going to make filter records like this. Okay, so dollar filter records here. Once again, this one will come id 1, filter name fabric, filter value cotton. Okay, and here sort we will add first one like 1. Status is always we are going to add it like 1 to enable the filter value. Okay, so we are going to add 3 more like this, and here like id we are going to make like 1 2 3 4. Filter name fabric 3 fabric, and after that we are going to add the sleeve. Okay, so here filter value cotton. Next one we are going to add blister. After that we are going to add here wool, then full sleeve. Okay, so here sword we are going to add like 1 2 3 like this. Okay, so see, these we have already defined somewhere, I think product controller, I think in product model itself. Filter, yeah, product filter here you can see. So all these we can make like cotton, blister, wool. Here we are going to add like cotton, blister, wool for this one, for sleeve, full sleeve, half sleeve, short sleeve. So we can do insert all like this. Okay, 4 5 6. After the full sleeve, in sleeve it's going to half sleeve and short sleeve, half sleeve, then short sleeve. Okay, so 1 2 3. After that we are going to add one more here, and after that pattern. For pattern we are going to add here pattern. Okay, filter name, and its filter value, filter value we are going to add here checked plain printer self solid. Okay, so here sort will start from 1, it will come 7 2 3 4 5 8 9 10 11, and here first one is checked. Okay, checked is already there. Then plain, then printer, then self, then solid, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, after that we are going to add two more for going to add going to do it like this, 12 13, and this time it's fit, and values are regular and slim. Okay, and sort is 1 and 2. Once again we are going to repeat just last time, 14 and 15, and this time it's occasion. Okay, so I'm going to select these two occasion, will make the caps, and here the values are casual and formal. See, all the values we can insert like this with the help of seeder. Okay, like this 1 to 5. Okay, so now we are going to here add products filter, insert dollar filter records. Okay, so now we are going to modify that file app db seeder db database seeder database. What is the file name for that? Database seeder, I think. Database seeder. This is a file. Okay, so I'm going to add like this one, and we'll hide this one, and here I'm going to add, and here I'm going to add here filters table seeder. Okay, what is the file of this name? Filters table seeder. So the same we are going to call this one here, and now we are going to run the final command, that is php artisan dbc to insert the values of this filter. Run. Done. Okay, so seeding is done, and we are going to check now, and you can see we are able to add all the filter column filter names and their values. Okay, you can manage, you can simply export this excel file and can import once again, modify the file, modify the values of the file itself, and can import it. Okay, or you can update this one as well, this seeder file. Okay, as per your own requirement. And we are going to manage these filters, we are going to show these filters here. Here we are going to show them dynamically. Okay, everything will come from here. First the column will come like fabric, after that sleeve, pattern, fit, occasion, all these will come here with their values. Okay, with their values we're going to show here, and once the user select them, and based on these filters we are going to show the products. Okay, so in the next video we are going to show these filters here dynamically. Means the category, every category has its own filter based on the selection of the filters in the product section. Okay, so like I have explained you in the beginning of this video. So stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.